Meet Study Mode in ChatGPT. Just click on Study and Learn mode. Study mode can help with homework. When you have a tough problem, just upload it and ask for help. ChatGPT will recognize the problem and walk you through the concepts you need to solve it, starting with the formula. It will break down the calculations step by step, letting you work through it at your own pace. Study mode becomes your own tutor, helping you understand any topic. It also helps with test prep. You can ask for a quiz on any topic. It won't just check if you're right, it'll double-check your reasoning to make sure you truly understand the material. And it goes deeper on the topic. Imagine having your own personal tutor right at your fingertips whenever you need help. If you're trying to understand a concept from class, you can ask why it matters. By telling it what you're learning, it can help you make connections between different ideas. Study mode is available now in ChatGPT, so head over and test it today.